Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the wonders of the natural world and the fascinating processes that bring us some of its most valuable gifts. We delve into the captivating journey of castor oil making in India. India, with its diverse landscapes and favorable climate, has been a key player in the production of castor oil for centuries. The castor plant, native to this ancient land, has held a special place in Indian agriculture and culture. The process begins with the careful harvesting of the castor plant's seed pods. Farmers skillfully handpick the ripe pods, being mindful of the thorny spikes that protect the valuable seeds within. Once collected, the seeds undergo a meticulous cleaning process, removing any impurities to ensure the highest quality oil. Dehulling follows, as the seed's outer shell is separated from the precious kernel inside, where the oil-rich endosperm lies. The seeds are then gently dried under the warm Indian sun, a crucial step to reduce moisture content and prepare them for the next phase of extraction. There are two primary methods of extracting castor oil in India: solvent extraction and cold pressing. In the solvent extraction method, the dried seeds are crushed and subjected to a solvent, such as hexane, to dissolve the oil from the solids. On the other hand, cold pressing is a mechanical process that uses an expeller press, a hydraulic press, to extract the oil without the use of heat, ensuring the oil remains unrefined and retaining its natural properties. After extraction, the oil undergoes filtration to remove any remaining solids or impurities. This vital step ensures the oil is clear and free of unwanted particles, maintaining its purity and quality. Some producers choose to briefly heat the oil to remove excess moisture and volatile compounds, enhancing the oil's shelf life and stability. The processed castor oil finds its way into containers or tanks for proper storage. Ensuring the oil's quality and preventing oxidation is crucial for maintaining its value and versatility. When ready for distribution, the oil is packaged in bottles, drums, or other suitable containers, making its way into the hands of consumers and industries worldwide. And there you have it, the captivating journey of castor oil making in India. From the bountiful fields to the meticulous extraction processes, castor oil has become one of nature's treasured gifts, enriching countless lives through its varied applications. Thank you for joining us today on Nature's Treasures. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes where we continue to explore the wonders of our natural world.